In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and export a GIF in Photoshop. We'll start by getting your GIF into Photoshop, make some quick edits to its frames, and then export it back out as a GIF that's ready to share. First, open Photoshop. With the app running, head to the File menu, choose Open, and select your GIF file. Photoshop will load the animation and display it as frames in the timeline panel at the bottom of your workspace. If you don't see the timeline, go to the Window menu and enable Timeline so it appears. When a GIF opens, each frame shows up in the timeline, and you'll also see related layers in the Layers panel. Think of the timeline as the sequence of images and the Layers panel as the building blocks of each frame. To edit a particular moment in the animation, click that frame in the timeline first. This ensures your changes are applied where you expect them. You can tweak colors with adjustment layers, add text with the type tool, or apply effects and filters just like you would on a normal image. If you want an edit to affect every frame, place it on a layer that stays visible across the whole animation. If you want it to appear in only one or a few frames, toggle the layer's visibility for those frames accordingly. A helpful tip: adjustment layers are great for global corrections like brightness, contrast, or color shifts, and they're easy to fine-tune later. For frame-specific edits, duplicate a layer and show or hide it on the frames you need. Keep an eye on alignment as you work so elements don't jump between frames. If you're adding text or graphics, keep them within the canvas and consider using snapping or guides for consistency. When you're ready to save, go to File, then Export, and choose Save for Web Legacy. In the dialog that opens, set the format to GIF. Here you can preview the animation, choose a color count, adjust dithering, and keep transparency if your GIF needs it. Reducing colors or dimensions can help control file size while maintaining acceptable quality. Also, check the looping option to ensure the GIF repeats as intended. Finally, click Save, pick your destination, and confirm. Your edited GIF will export with your changes intact. That's it. Open, edit, and export all in a simple workflow. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating cleaner, more polished GIFs in Photoshop.